How to update YouTube app on your device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll show you how to update YouTube app on your device quickly and easily. Without further ado, let's dive into the process. First, launch Google Play Store application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap search icon at bottom right. Tap search bar. Type in YouTube. Tap YouTube and open it. If you see update button, tap on it to begin updating the application. Wait a few moments while the update install. If you don't see an update button but still see uninstall, you can tap on uninstall button and then tap uninstall again. After the uninstallation process is complete, you will see the install button. Simply tap on install to get the latest version of YouTube. By doing so, you can completely update your YouTube application to the latest version. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.